Beethoven's music at once!
Wrong fingering and timing. From the top.
You've been taking lessons for years. Why can't you just play a normal song without a book?
Most traditional music schools trap you in a cycle of reading notes, grinding exams, and practicing rigid drills. Yet, the moment the sheet music is taken away, you are completely lost. Other schools skip the theory and just teach you to memorize a few specific songs. But there's no end in sight if you do that. You never actually learn how to play independently. Do not fall into that trap. This is the endless loop of memorization. Think of it like cooking. Traditional schools try to teach you how to cook by forcing you to strictly memorize individual recipes, line by line. If you lose the cookbook, you can't cook a thing. Traditional schools rely on a subscription trap, keeping you dependent on a teacher so you pay fees forever. Our goal is to free you. We teach you the proper foundation so you can figure out any melody entirely on your own. Get results faster, skip the frustration, and start making real music. Tap the WhatsApp button below and let's get you playing.